What's up guys? Greggy P with PizzlesTechTime back again with another video. We're going to be reviewing the T400 projector by iCODIS. Not only that, but we're going to be giving one away and we're going to be giving 10% off to all you guys. That's right, all you guys. That's right, everyone's going to get 10% off and one lucky winner is going to win the projector free of cost. iCODIS, of course, is going to be sending that projector out to whoever wins the contest. First things first, what we're going to be able to do for my viewers is we're going to be able to give one projector away. We're going to run a giveaway. That link will be in the description. I'm going to use Glaive for that to make it fair and balanced. Guys, this is super exciting for me. This is over a $100 projector that one of you guys are going to be able to win. Now, the only way I can keep content like this coming along with giveaways is if you guys support the channel, like the videos, watch the videos, and subscribe. And I greatly appreciate that, guys, because it helps me continue to grow. And as you can see, we're giving back to the viewer. You're getting a 10% off discount code, as well as one lucky winner is actually going to win this projector. I'm so excited to offer you this, guys. So what we're going to do in this video is take a look at the T400 projector, coming in at a budget price at around $100. It's 3800 lumen, so it should be nice and bright with a 720p resolution, which I think would be perfect for pairing with a Nintendo Switch or maybe an Amazon Fire Stick. So as you can see, the iCODIS projector is right there, and it looks pretty awesome. It's well designed, and it's coming in at 3800 lumens, which should be plenty enough bright to use in a dimly lit room. At 3800 lumens, you're still going to want to use this projector in a darker room because it's not so bright that it's going to beat the sunlight. In fact, nothing really is that bright. You want a dimly lit room and maybe a white wall, or you can buy one of those projector screens, which I do have, but I can't put holes in my wall to set it up. So unfortunately, unless I go somewhere else and set it up, I won't be able to test it out on a white screen. It also has a flip function, so if you want to project on the ceiling and lay back and watch a cool movie, you can do that as well. With a 3000:1 contrast ratio and that native 720p image, it's going to come in at about 1280 by 720. I think the picture quality of this should be pretty awesome. We're going to do a quick unboxing for it, and then we're going to get right into it, testing out the projector. I want to thank iCODIS for supporting the channel by sending out this product for review, as well as giving one away to one of our lucky viewers. So thanks a lot, guys. Let's get down and unbox this product. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're here in front of the iCODIS T400. Okay, so inside the box here, we've got some styrofoam. So let's open, bang, okay. Toss the box to the side. Cables and a bunch of goodies here. We'll take those out, as well as a fancy remote. Very nice. Okay, and we've even got a component adapter cable. So we're here in front of the projector itself. Let's take it out of this bag, like a trash bag like. We've got the silver projector. Looks like we got a little thing to rise the front of the projector. So the other connections are going to be right here. We've got USB 2, USB 1. We've got headphones, audio visual, which you would use this cable right here for, and 2 HDMIs, and the VGA is on the back right there, so that's perfect. So the front of the projector has no protection on it during shipping, which is a bit concerning. I don't know if that's going to affect your decision to purchase it or not, but I do believe they should have some kind of plastic piece that goes in there just to protect it during shipping. So we've got the iCODIS logo on the front. This raises and lowers so you can actually tilt the projector any way you want. We've got the buttons. We've got power, back button, menu, and looks like another type of menu button. Not sure what that does. We've got directional arrows. Nice clicky arrows. Buttons are not as clicky as the arrows, but I like that. We've got a keystone adjustment. It's a little loose. And we've got the focus knob, which is scrolling pretty nicely. Okay, so let's look at the cords now. We've got a run-of-the-mill HDMI cable. Looks like a pretty high-quality cable, not very long, of course, but okay, we've got a remote. I do not see any batteries, so that's not too great. Cheap-feeling remote, very plastic, but the buttons are very clicky. So AAA, okay, perfect. Okay, guys, so here's everything that comes inside the box. All right, so everything that comes inside the box, we've got the remote, projector without lens cover, of course, HDMI cable, component adapter for your older sources, and a power cable. A little run-of-the-mill speaker in there, and we've got the ventilation. So we've got some good ventilation on the projector. Audio at 50 is great, but if you turn it up too loud,
now, pretty interested to see, number one, if this will work with the case. Number two, if this fast charges or slow charges, because there's a big difference, guys, let's be honest.
So what's really going to work well is if you keep the volume under 50 or 60, but that's personal preference. But once you go above that, the speaker starts to crackle, and in my honest opinion, it just doesn't sound good. But the picture quality looks pretty great. As you can see, the picture quality is great. It's pretty bright. Now, the more light you have in the room, the worse off the image is going to be. I really like the picture quality of this iCODIS. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Usually I have a problem with projectors when I play games sometimes. The screen tears a little bit. But this game was actually running so smoothly, I couldn't believe it. So here we go. We're going to select this. Yeah, I can't play the sound because we will get a copyright strike. So I'm not going to play the sound. I just want to show you what it looks like when you're playing a game on this projector. Whoa, 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 crazy taxi. Yeah, I've got to say, looks very good. It actually looks a lot better than the Vankyo one that I tested not too long ago. Okay guys, so right off the rip, you can kind of see that the Vankyo projector is kind of not as good quality as the iCODIS projector. Just speaking about the image that it creates, I think the iCODIS one, how do you say that? It looks beautiful. Playing games on it, doing whatever, it looks amazing. Every time I played a game on that other projector, the screen would shake around, there'd be screen tearing, stuttering, which is pretty strange to me, but the other projector seems to be working a lot better. It's almost like playing on a TV. You don't even notice that you're using a projector. So I think this projector is going to be great for anyone that wants to play games, surf the internet, use their phone with it. Drop your comments down below, guys. Which projector did you think was better? If you haven't watched my Vankyo video, I'll put a link for it right there for you to click it and watch it. But what I've got to say is the Vankyo comes with a bag, comes with a lens protector. The iCODIS doesn't come with any of that, but honestly, I'd rather have the better image quality than have those little knickknacks, although they can step up their design a little bit, in my honest opinion, of course. Gaming on it is great, and I think for the price of $100 to $120, it's a pretty good deal. And I'd like to thank iCODIS for sending this projector out to me, and I can't wait to announce the winner, guys, 1 month from when I upload this video. Make sure when you set up your account through Glaive that you have an email or a way for me to contact you. That way I'll be able to get in contact with you if you win. If I can't get in touch with you, we're going to have to pick another winner. So make sure you fill that Glaive form out correctly. I can't tell you how many times people make a mistake on that. And I'd like to thank iCODIS for giving me this projector to give away to you guys. But don't worry, if you didn't win, guys, you can still use this coupon code. I'll leave the coupon code right on the screen right there, and it's going to give you 10% off the iCODIS store. So if you're interested in purchasing there, please do. Now, guys, I really enjoyed doing this video. It's really fun comparing different gadgets, and I like getting a good idea of what is actually being sold online to you guys. So if you have this projector or the Vankyo projector and you have anything to say about it, just drop it down below and let me know what you guys think and what are your experiences with these projectors. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time here, guys, hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you next week. I'm out.